Because now you guys don't be happy that classes are getting cancelled. You're not understanding one thing. If we cancel the classes now, who will cover the portion? Portion will decrease for 11th and 12th. And here we are fighting with this, stupid CET exam. Remaining all the places in India, people are sitting and studying. NEET exam and JEE mains exam is a national exam. It is not for Mumbai or for Maharashtra. You guys won't perform. You guys don't want to study. But people in Andhra, right, or people from Tamil Nadu or wherever, Rajasthan, Kota, these people are sitting and doing. They already finished like what? 4 to 5 chapters. And only here in Maharashtra, we all are lagging and fighting over this stupid CET exam. People are not getting it. That I know, meaning the only thing is that college admission, or else even you wouldn't have told you to write the exam. And they're just playing around. Can't help it. Let's see. So again, I'm telling you, this is not school. Your school ka marks, no one gives a damn. Going ahead in future, right? No one will ask you 10th how much you got. Oh, 10th you got 97%. Come, take this job and take this company and do something. Remember this thing. What matters is your graduation degree. No one will ask you where did you study in 11th and 12th also. And you know why graduation degree is important? Not because you are some super, college and everything. Bullshit at us. Graduation degree is only useful for people to know, okay, this guy studied in a decent college, so he might be good. Okay, let's call him for an interview. You're getting it? Let's call him for an interview, not for a job. When I go, tell me one thing. In the beginning, right, when VB ma'am has introduced us, Continuum Physics stream, so and so, Arun sir is from IIT, Lucky sir is from NIT. They told you like that? VB ma'am told you, right? I don't know. Some of you don't know, but VB ma'am normally tells like that to everyone. Why do we tell like that? We tell them to know, the moment you hear, okay, so and so, there's an IIT teaching physics, there's an NIT guy teaching physics, it might be good. Okay, they're asking just for a demo, so let's go. So you came for a demo. Then you said like, yeah, this guy is doing good, so let's join. But imagine VB calls and says, sir is from Mumbai University. Sir is from, this Kolhapur University. You will say, yeah, seriously, is this guy really going to teach us? First of all, you won't even attend the demo. The degree is important so that people will come to you first, at least for a demo or at least for an interview, and then you have to perform. If I call you to my class and teach you nonsense, you're not going to join. You will just say like, yeah, this guy doesn't know anything. So your graduation degree is important for that. So please grow up. You're not kids, right? This is not school. Survival of the fittest. Until unless you're damn rich and you have something like 20-30 crore ka property and there's no need to worry about money, but still even then it's a problem. You won't have enough brains to manage that much money. So end of the day, you have to put hard work. So yeah, let's see. Let this CET thing get over. Even I'm confused like what to do. We are not able to go full force. Expand this. What is this? X power 6, 3 into x cube, so 3 into x power 4 plus 9x square. 6x power 5, 12x cube. Check your answers. I'm not doing it step by step. In case you didn't get it, please ask me. I'll show you. This would be sine square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x. This would be 1 minus 2 sin x cos x. That would be 0 minus 2 differential of sin x cos x.
In first one, I'm getting 6x raised to 5 plus 18x plus 24x cube.
Sir, it will be 6x raised to 6x cube.
6x cube.
2ab na.
2ab na.
So 2 into 3.
You're right. So that would be how much then? 24x cube. Is this fine?
Answer 18x.
18x only, no? Here. Right? How to do this thing? Sin x cos x. I think we did last time, no? Sin x cos x. There. We did last time. 8th question, sin x cos x. How much was this? Cos 2x. Refer question 8.
So,
What is this thing? Right.
so here I did sin x minus cos x into sin x minus cos x, and I got the answer.
Chalega.
No, but
Did
I
you get the
got a
same?
different answer.
What did you get?
I got 2 brackets sin x minus cos x.
You messed up somewhere. Let me see. 2t minus 6. If you keep t is equal to 1, get 1 minus 6 minus 5. Put t is equal to 1, 2 minus 6 minus 4. Check out the third one. Differentiate once, you get velocity. Differentiate 2 times, you get acceleration. Then put t is equal to 1.
Sir, won't it be positive?
Which one?
Second last step, because sin x will become cos x will become minus sin x.
This one you're saying? I just wrote the result directly. Let me see.
Yes, sir, it will
One-
be positive.
This is positive, na? But there's already one minus sign sitting outside, na? This minus is already here, na? No? Is that what you guys are asking? Or this is cos 2x only, but there's a minus 2 sitting outside, na? That's why I wrote that minus for that sake. This is a constant minus this. Constant is 0. Check out the answers, people. So someone said second one you did like what? Sin x minus cos x. You must have messed up somewhere. See. So this you will write like sin x minus cos x, then differentiate sin x minus cos x, na? And this you do for 2 times, isn't it? Because it is the same. I think whoever did this thing, Hitri, you did like this, right?
Yes, sir.
So then this thing is sin x minus cos x. What is sin ka differential? Cos x minus or minus plus sin x, na? So this thing will be what? Sin square x minus cos square x, na?
Yeah, that is cos 2x.
That is minus cos 2x. Got it? If you want to do that way. Anyway, don't worry. They're not going to ask you such things. I'm just giving you for your practice.
So then
Is this
what
clear?
will be the acceleration of second answer?
Minus 4. 2t minus 6 now. You have to differentiate a v4. Sure.
So second one, the acceleration I did not get.
What is acceleration? dv by dt, na?
Yes.
You have to differentiate this guy, na? T square minus 6t. So that is 2t minus 6, na? Right, Priyal?
Yes.
And decided t is equal to 1, so kept 2 is equal to 1, so 2 minus 6. All clear with this. The next thing, third thing, chain rule. This is the third level in differentiation. After that is all applications only. See, listen carefully. Yeah? This is the toughest one, and this is what you need to learn the most. We'll do a lot of problems, so you'll get the hang of it. The best way to learn is to solve more problems. And don't worry, as we go ahead, whenever you mess it up or something, I'm always there. You can work it out. What does the chain rule say? Listen. What happens if you have a function inside a function and you try to differentiate this? Then we get f dash of g of x. Remember, f dash meaning first differential, then differentiate whatever is inside. Let me give you some examples. So this is a basic format. Example. Let's say I have x square plus 1 whole cube. Now listen carefully, people. Inside, this looks like this is a function. Agreed? Something, some function. How is this looking like? remember the first 6 formulas. This is looking like what? X power n, right? So it looks like x power n, but it is not x power n. So we have a function inside a function. So what you do? 3 into something, the function 3 minus 1, and then whatever is inside, differentiate that. So this thing looks like something to the power of 3. So it is 3 into something to the power of 3 minus 1 into differentiate that some function. So this would be 3 into x square plus 1 whole square. This would be 2x plus 0. This is 6x into x square plus 1 whole square. Let me give you more examples. Suppose if I have d by dx of sine square x, look at this thing. We struggled so much to do this problem, f of x into g of x. Using this method, your life becomes very easy. This is sine x ka whole square, agreed? How is this thing looking like? Something to the square, a function to the
Yes.
square. So again, this is looking like x power n, right? So 2 into function n minus 1, and then differentiate the function. Whatever is that inside function, you to differentiate that again. This would be 2 into sine x. Sine ka cos differential is cos x. 2 sine x cos x is sine 2x. Did you see how fast you got it? Put it down. Let me give you 2 more examples. So what you have to do is see how it is looking like. It is looking like x power n. It is looking like sine of something, function of square. So first you use a regular formula, and then whatever is that something inside, the function inside, differentiate it again. Put it on. I'll give you more examples. It's not tough. You should just get a hang of the previous things. You should be quite confident. Check it out. Copied. Great. Now you might be thinking, sir, there's much differentials and all. Where do we use this actually? Like I was giving you a lot of application in the beginning, right? You can use this. People use this in stock market also. I think everyone has a basic idea about the stocks and stuff. So in that stock market, right, there's a certain section called futures and options. Right? One of the most deadly thing, which you guys should never touch unless you're experienced by at least 6-7 years in the market. And even then people lose a lot of money. Okay, so that's a different story. Now, in that, what they do, right? In that particular options, when I was studying it, what I found, it was actually a lot of calculus. This thing is simple, understand, right? Let's say you just talk about any company ka share. Share ka price is increasing. Price versus time. For example, if you take a company like Reliance, let's say it is some 2000 rupees and it is going to 3000 rupees. So this price is there, na? They do like this rate of change of price. This is called delta. Rate of change of delta. They call this thing gamma. So meaning they actually study rate of change and accordingly they create an equation, and based on that equation, the price gets decided. And it is all actually, so when I was studying that book, right, how did he explain this? He said, imagine price is like position, delta is like velocity, gamma is like acceleration. The whole concept he explained with kinematics. So the delta tells you how fast is the price moving, just like velocity. And gamma tells you how fast is that velocity increasing. So, first time in my life, I saw differentiation application somewhere outside, other than physics. I thought like, okay, the people use it here also. So the point is you never know, your knowledge, whatever you have. Let me take one more example. dy dx of e power, now this is a little more complicated I'm taking, e power sin x. How is this looking like? Looks like e power x now. So this is e power something. What is e power x ka function ka result? E power x is e power x only. And then differentiate that something, whatever is the function. So that will be e power sin x into cos x. Let me take one more. Let's say sin x cube. You're getting, it's not sin x ka whole cube, sin into x cube. How do we do this thing? This thing looks like sin x. See, it looks like sin x, but it is not. It is sine of a function, sine of something. So what is this? So what you're doing here, you're always opening up one function after another. First, what you see, sine, na? What is sine ka differential? Cos. Then what is inside? It is not x. So differentiate again. It's cos x cube into 3x square. Does this make sense? What are you actually doing? See, when I do for sin x also, now I'm doing same thing. Sine of something. What is sine ka differential? Cos x. Whatever is inside, uska wapas differentiate karo. But what is dx by dx? 1, na? That's why we never bothered to write it before. We never bothered to write that before because that always became 1. Clear? Put down these examples. Ask me if you're confused anywhere. Or let's choose some problems, we will try.
So in the first example, how it looks like e raised to x.
The sin x ka place mein x is there, na? Just don't see sin x. It looks like e power something.
Yes, sir.
So that is like e power x only, na? X ka place mein sin x tha.
So then why we written e raised to sin x in the next step?
So that's what I'm saying, na? If it is e power x, what is e power x ka differential? Do you remember the formula? E power x ka differential? E power x ka differential is e power x only.
Yes, sir.
So e power sin x ka differential, e power sin x will come out, but you have to differentiate that sign also. Because this is not x, na?
Okay, yeah.
Suppose if this was e power x, answer is e power x, story is over. But is this e power x? No, it is e power something. So something ko wapas differentiate kar. So here it is like what the function is pretending to be a normal one, but it is not normal. That's why we have to differentiate whatever is that inside again. I know you understood 60-70%. There is still some weird thing that will go off only when you do some problems. Let's do some 15-20 problems. Don't worry, you get the hang of. Put it up. Copied. Can I turn the page? Next one. Now you guys give it a try. We'll start with something easy. This you know how to do without with expansion, right? Without expanding, we have to do. So let's do these three. We have to use chain rule. We'll do the first one without expanding. How is this looking? Something to the square. Function to the square. So it's looking like x power n. So n into x power n minus 1, and then differentiate that something, whatever is the function inside. Try. See, again, I'll tell you, don't think so much. Whatever you think, you do. Get a wrong answer. Don't worry. Because if you hesitate to solve, you will not learn. You just do whatever you think for these three questions, you write your answers. I will show you now, then see what went wrong and then correct it. If you're scared to fail in life, you will not go ahead in life. Every step you will think 10 times, and that will slow you down. Very important principle in life. Done. Don't take too much time. Just take like 30-40 seconds. Whatever you think, you write. I'm telling you, don't think. Just try to instinct. Whatever you understood so far, just put it there. Get a wrong answer. I don't care. The only time you should think about a right and wrong answer is in the exam, not when learning. Done? 30 seconds more. Finish it off. Done. Let's see. Listen carefully again. This thing, something to the square. 2 into something. Differentiate that something. Something is function, okay? I'm calling it something. It's actually a function. So 2 into x square plus 1. What is that differential? 2x plus 0. 4x into x square plus 1. Check your answer. See where it went wrong. If it is right, great. If you got it wrong, if you didn't understand, ask me, I'll explain again. This thing, dy dx of x plus 1 put to the power of half. So here, this is again something to the power of half. So half into that function something to the power of half minus 1, then differentiate whatever is the function inside. So this is 1 by 2 into root over x plus 1 into 1 plus 0. So 1 by 2 root x plus 1. This is x power x square plus 1 minus half. So this x square plus 1 is your sum function. So this is minus half into x square plus 1 minus half minus 1 differential of x square plus 1 minus 1 by 2 x square plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 into 2x. 2 goes off, you get minus x by x square plus 1 whole power 3 by 2.
Sir,
All right.
so in first one I'm getting 2x square plus 2x.
2x square plus
2x square plus 2x.
same only, na?
So but 4x x square plus 1, I did not understand.
Arey God, ये 2 को you just sent inside, and ये 2 को you multiplied. The same thing you did.
Okay.
Just expand na full thing, you will see the same thing. Isn't it the same?
Yes, sir, I got.
Check it out, people. 1, 2, 3. Any doubts? All these things will come in the exam. Huh? All these kind of questions are asked. They won't ask you like this directly. They will say this is position, find velocity, find acceleration, find work, find power, anything. If this much you understood, I think your differentiation is good. 2x plus 0, how did I get? X square plus 1. X square ka differential is 2x, 1 ka differential is 0. You have to differentiate this function inside again, na? Is that fine? Okay. Next one, let's see a few more. Turn in the page. If someone can write the answer directly without doing the steps, it will be great. Meaning, this question, if it is me in the exam, I do like this only. Minus half x square plus 1 minus half minus 1 3 by 2 into 2x. Done. If you can do like that, nothing like that. I want you to reach that level. See, and you just put the answer directly on the paper. Next one. Skip the test steps. That is the main point. If you can get the answer faster, nothing like that. One more. Root over x square plus x. Pi by 3x. Pi by 4x plus pi by 3. Get these three? It's like sine of pi by 3x. Cos of pi by 4x plus pi by 3. Again, don't think so much. Just finish it up, whatever you think. Let's see the first one. This is like a function to the power of half. So half into x square plus x, half minus 1 minus half, differentiate whatever is inside again. X square plus x. So this would be 1 by 2 root x square plus x 2x plus 1. Check your answer. This is sine of something. Sine ka differential is what? Cos of something. Then differentiate whatever is inside. So this would be cos pi x by 3. Pi by 3 will come out and you have dx by dx, which is 1. So the answer is pi by 3 cos pi by 3x. This guy cos ka differential is sine. So sine pi by 4x plus pi by 3, sine of something, then differentiate whatever is inside. That is this guy. Pi by 4 is constant. So pi by 4 comes out. Check this out.
So in sixth one, can you explain the last step?
That pi by 4x plus pi by 3, na?
Yes.
Now see na, pi by 4x plus pi by 3. It's a pi by 4 is a constant, right? This is a constant, na? Pi by 4.
Yes.
So that will come out of the differential, na? Meaning I skipped a step there. Minus sine pi by 4 x plus pi by 3. Then I differentiated again pi by 4 x plus pi by 3. So that will be pi by 4 will come out, na? And that is 0, isn't it? Fair enough. Any doubts on this? Please ask me. Clear. Let's see a few more. Clear. Next one. Someone messaged me. Next thing. d by dx of root sin x. Let's see what you'll do for this. D by dx of sine 2x. D by dx of cos 2x. D by dx of cos 3x. E power x square. Shall get these things. Get this fact. Done. See the first one. This is what d by dx of sin x to the power of half. So this is looking like what? Something to the power of half. So half into the function half minus 1. Then differentiate whatever is inside. What is inside? Sin x. Okay. So this is the function to the power of half. So this is 1 by 2 root sin x. Sin ka differential is cos x. That's your answer. Check it out. So it is looking like x power half. It looks like x power half, but it is not x power half. So it is like something to the power of half. So half into something to the power of half minus 1, and then differentiate whatever is inside. Next one. Look at the sine 2x. Let me write it here. Sine 2x. This is like what? This is sine of some function. What is that function? 2x. What is sine ka differential? Cos 2x. Then differentiate whatever is inside. 2 will come out. 2 cos 2x. See, this was so easy. Like, you know, if you try to do it normally, 2 sin x cos x and all, it will be quite lengthy. Similarly, if you take cos 2x, what is cos ka differential? Minus sine 2x, and differentiate whatever is inside. So that would be minus 2 sine 2x. Check it out. Any doubts on 7, 8, 9? Please ask me. Seventh is not that important, but 8 and 9 are important. You will see them a lot. 10th and 11th? What is this guy? Cos ka differential minus sine. So 3 will come. Minus sine 3x. You should be this confidently able to write. What is e power x square? This x square is something. E power x ka differential is e power something. Then differentiate that some function. 2x into e power x square. Check it out till here. Any doubts till 11? Please ask me. Check it out. All clear? Can I turn the page? Next one. Let's see some actual questions. X is 1 plus t square plus 1. X is position. Find velocity as function of time t. They'll write like this. Find v of t. Matlab velocity. Get it? Okay, let's see. So velocity is dx by dt. Remember, you need not differentiate every time with x only. You can differentiate with any one. So this can be written as t square plus 1 whole to the power of minus 1. So it is like something to the power of minus 1. So minus 1 t square plus 1 minus 1 and then differentiate whatever is inside. So minus 1 by t square plus 1 whole square, and that is 2t plus 0. So minus 2 by t square plus 1 whole square. Check it out. Any doubts on this? Please ask me. Yeah, next one. X is equal to t minus 1 by t. Find v of t, acceleration of time. This was easy. X is equal to sine pi t. Find v of t and acceleration of t. Get them. So you're dealing with double differential actually. Differentiate once, differentiate again. I posted the paper in the group. You guys can have a look at it. We can discuss it today only because I think I have only one class this week. So end of the class, I'll take up the doubts. Let's see by next week. If we get some confirmation, we will see what to do. Because if they suddenly shut down the site and if they have no clue, don't know. Because it is unfair for other board students to prepare like what is v? Dx by dt. This would be 1. That is t power minus 1. So plus 1 by t square. Check it out. I skipped a step and went ahead. What is acceleration? dv by dt. That would be 0 minus 2 by t cube. Check your answers. If you didn't get, please ask me. I'll show you step by step.
So can you explain this?
This thing, क्या है? Regular ray. T power 1 and t power minus 1 था. This is just x power n f of x plus g of x. Chain rule नहीं है, right? Just because I'm teaching chain rule, don't become stuck with the chain rule. You should know the previous stuff also. What about this guy? This is sine of something. So this is d by dt of sine pi t. So sine ka differential cos of something, then differentiate whatever is inside. Pi is a constant, pi will come out. That is dt by dt, which is 1. The answer is pi cos pi t. Check it out.
Sir,
Swa.
so how will we get to know when to use the chain rule and when not to?
See now, here when I say x is t minus 1 by t, this thing looks like t power minus 1. This thing looks like x power n only, na? Right? But look at this thing. Does this thing look like sin x, sin t? It is sin pi into t, na? Is there any formula for sin pi t that you know? Aswa? Is
No.
there any formula? No. But this thing looks like sin x, but it is not the exact formula. Are you getting the difference? It looks like sin x, but it's not the exact formula. The formula you learned is, suppose if I give you sin t, you know, answer is cos t. But the moment I added something extra inside, it looks like that, but it is not the same, isn't it? So it is sine of some function. It looks like something inside. Then you have to use a chain rule. So think of it like this. Other than the 6 standard formulas, you get anything else, you have to use a chain rule. Fair enough? And with some practice, you'll get the hang of it. What about the acceleration, people? We got velocity is pi cos pi t. Acceleration is dv by dt. Pi comes out. And then you're differentiating cos pi t. So pi, cos ka differential is minus sign something. Then differentiate whatever is inside. Minus pi sin pi t, again pi will come out, dt by dt, which is 1. Minus pi square sin pi t. This will come in a chapter called oscillations. Check out the steps, second and third, any doubts? Clear? Next page. I think Imam posted some message in the group, I guess. Site is opening at 3 o'clock. Yeah, okay. The exam is happening next week. Then next week, I and Lucky sir will take only one class, and we'll try to wind up early for you guys. That was the plan, which I'm totally against it, but can't help it because there is an exam. So that's the thing. No, because I tell you what, I'm from Andhra. I'm not from Mumbai. And I know how people prepare there, and I know how I prepared. So I see this competition. Na, for you guys, it is totally new, right? You think it is like school. School may, let's say, you can get 95, your friend can get 96, 97, and all are happy about it. 1-2% you won't cry. But tell me one thing. If there are only 3,000 seats, fine, 3,000 seats, medical or wherever, right? And your rank is 3001, and you just lost it by 0.01%. Can you just say, it's okay, I just lost by 0.01%, I'm still a very good student? Will you be happy about it? You're disqualified, right? That is not 30,001, 3,001. You're disqualified. I'm telling you, it's as bad as that. You're just disqualified. I'm telling you, things will go so bad. People literally now, I'm telling you, just study last year example, what happened. 2 years back, this happened actually. The HSC exams, right? After the HSC exams got over, while the paper correction is happening on, there was a strike by the teachers. It happened exactly on the day when physics papers were supposed to be corrected. So the papers were just lying down. After that, I don't know how they did the correction, but everyone got less marks in physics that year. Most people got messed up. Then two of your seniors who were with me, they got into BITS Pilani. Right? They scored very good score. Both of them, one boy got BITS Pilani mein, some electrical, one guy got BITS Goa mein, some mechanical. They got good branches. But the problem is, HSC mein, there's a criteria. You should get 75% in PCM. And these two idiots from, we used to tell you in 12th standard boards is important. At least 75% boards is important. You need to at least score 85%. These two people ignored it a bit. Now, this happens. People don't listen to the teachers till the end. They think they know a lot. They thought, "Arey, boards kya hoga? Ho jayega." I said, like, it happened also. They did well only. And what happened? They were not crossing that cutoff. Total they got, but PCM ka individual marks they see. PCM mein one guy was losing by 3 marks and one guy was losing by 7 marks. Fine. And they got physics very bad, meaning 29 out of 75 or something. They got very bad. They kept for revaluation, and we are sure they'll get the marks also. But the problem is, because of the strike and all that nonsense, the last date for BITSAT was 21st July, and the revaluation ka marks will come on 27th July. These people went and kept an appeal, like, our revaluation marks are coming, please wait and all. BITSAT said, see, we are a private college, we don't care about all that. If you can submit your marks by 21st, you'll get a seat or else you're gone. They lost the seats. And when the revaluation marks came, both of their marks increased by some 15 to 20 marks. And finally, they joined some Pakra college in Mumbai. It might be a decent college in Mumbai, but think, KJ Somaya, BITS Pilani. Seriously, is there any comparison? Sardar Patel, BITS Pilani. Seriously. Now, you never know. I'm telling you, small things, they will mess up. Because see, if you join a college like Sardar Patel and once you come out, just to give you a comparison, the starting package will be around 35 to 40,000 maybe, if you are really doing good, or max to max it will go to 50,000 per month. Don't expect crores ka salaries. Newspapers may they make a big hangama about it. Someone got 1 crore salary, 2 crores. So that's all bullshit. You're a fresher. You don't know anything. Who will pay you so much? Which people get that kind of salaries? People who already did a job for 5 to 6 years, and then they go back to college to study for improving their knowledge. And when these people get hired again, or obviously 5 to 6 years experience, you must be already getting some good salary. On top of it, they give a good salary. And when they say 1 crore salary, it is all in dollar terms. In hand, 1 crore salary in hand, you get only like what, 30 lakhs or something. Remaining all is in stock options. That which you can take after 5 years of doing the job. But no one will tell you all this bullshit because the story won't be that fun. Newspaper may have to make a big headline, 2 crore salary. So don't get into all that nonsense. And unfortunately, parents also believe that and they put a lot of pressure on the kids. Array, someone we heard they got 1 crore salary. Why is their salary only 50,000 per month? So don't get into all these things. People will say, you just need to think like these people don't know anything. Yeah. And it happened. It messed up. And that same year, something interesting also happened. One guy scored 270 out of 450 BITS Pilani mein. It's a pretty low score, meaning you won't get any admission. But this guy, out of desperation, started applying for everything, everywhere, every branch. He started applying in every college. Now, BITS Pilani, what happened? BITS Goa mein, that year, civil or mechanical ka seat, right? Civil no one was taking. So this guy got an admission in civil. After joining there, what happened? Some people in mechanical and electrical, they left the college. They got a better admission. So because the seats became vacant, this guy got promoted to mechanical. To get mechanical, that is equivalent to 330 score. He jumped 60 marks just because he's there. Some people are just plain lucky. So you never know. And I'm telling you, once you go to BITS Pilani, the biggest advantage, what? I'm just talking in terms of Sardar Patel and BITS Pilani. Your starting package will be good, but the best thing is you'll get a good company. right? Your friends will be, you know, in some good companies. Whenever you want to go and leave a job, you can always apply through friends. The biggest asset you have in joining a good college is your peer group or your friends are also in good positions. Meaning, I'll tell you about one of my friend. He's from, you know, he's from mechanical department. 2010 ka thing, okay? But this guy was always interested in computers, but he didn't get a branch. So he learned all the courses on his own and all. He did some job on computer science. But anywhere he's going, no one is giving him a job. Especially companies like Amazon, Flipkart. These people won't hire you if you're not from computer science background. So this guy did some job in Accenture and all. It's a small company, like, you know, small company meaning it's not a good profile, but okay, it's a software. One of our friend who is in computer science, who got a job in Amazon, recommended this guy. You're getting an internal reference, we call it. So when an employer refers, they will at least look at the resume and they'll call him for an interview for namesake. Got it? Now see, if he sent his resume n number of times to Amazon and no one cared about it because he's not from computer science background. But the moment the employee referred, they let him for the interview. After taking the interview, they found this guy was really good with computers. They said, yeah, let's give him a chance, even though he's not from computer science background. He got a job in Amazon. He worked there for 3 years. Now, see what happened. Now he went to Google and he said, I'm an employee of Amazon. He never said, I'm a mechanical engineer. They said, okay, you worked in Amazon. Good. Chalo, come for interview. He got selected in Google. He worked in Google Hyderabad for 4 years. He used to come to us and tell us, Arun, there is a lot of free food. Huh? You can go and eat. When half the discussion is about free food only there. Every half kilometer, there is some food stall, it seems. You can get all kinds of foods. We used to tell him, morning, take an empty carriage box and evening, bring for us. So after that, Google Hyderabad, he worked for 3-4 years. Then he got promoted to Google ka Silicon Valley. Now he's working in US. Just because one of his friend is in Amazon, he referred, he was able to change. Now see, he has the talent. Huh? He has the knowledge, he has the talent. Just because he didn't have the right kind of connection, he couldn't get into Amazon in the first place. So remember this thing. In life, you want to go ahead. The most important asset you have is contacts, your friends, whatever it is, friends, anyone, colleagues, anyone, contacts. Second, after getting a contact, you need to perform. That is your skill set, your knowledge and everything. Then, you know, it matters your attitude also, how you behave. So there are multiple things, but I would rank this as a first thing. Having contacts. And that you can make only when you're in a good college. You join some Dabba college in Mumbai, after time people talk about movies and heroes and everything nonsense. You want to be in a group where people talk some intellectual stuff. I am not in any of my school groups because they talk all shit. I just come out of my school groups. They just talk. They had me every 2 months, I come out. Not an intellectual, nothing they talk common sense even once in a while. My IIT groups, they don't talk only. Everyone is busy doing something in life. Yeah, so that is the thing. So with this we did the third level. I hope this was clear, this chain rule. Now what is left is applications. Now one reason I'm worried to teach you anything more is because I'm damn sure after the CT exam, you'll forget everything and come. So even I'm confused what to do now. Because last year, this is pretty important one. No issue. Let's see. We'll work it out. After you come back, I'll revise the whole thing again and then we'll do it again. So let's discuss the paper now. So first thing, any doubts in today's class, you can ask me.